Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a block golf swing. A block occurs when your club face is too open at impact, causing the ball to fly straight right for a right-handed golfer. This often stems from an armsy swing, where your body doesn't rotate enough through the shot. We'll focus on improving your club face control and ensuring better body rotation to eliminate this frustrating miss. To fix a block, mastering club face control is paramount. Focus on feeling the club face square or slightly closed as you approach impact. A great drill involves keeping your left wrist flat or even slightly bowed at the top of your backswing and through impact. This encourages the club face to close naturally, preventing that open face at contact. Check your grip. A strong grip can help. Another critical element is engaging your body rotation. Many blocks happen because golfers stop rotating their hips and shoulders, relying solely on their arms. Instead, feel your entire body turning through the ball, leading with your lower body. Your belt buckle should finish facing the target, indicating a full and powerful rotation. This prevents the club from getting stuck behind you. To solidify these changes, incorporate specific drills into your practice. The L2L drill, where your arms form an L shape on both sides of the swing, helps you feel the club face closing. Practice hitting half shots, concentrating on a full body turn and maintaining a flat left wrist. Use alignment sticks to ensure your swing path is neutral or slightly in to out, not excessively out to in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.